writing reports, certificates, comments for report cards, and even writing emails to parents based on students' performance has never been easier. With iTeachify.ai, you can do all that in a few clicks. To write feedback and feed forward to your students so they can reflect on their learning journey, head over to the DIRT, which stands for Direct Improvement and Reflection Time, feedback page under the Reports tab on the navigation bar. On this page, you want to make sure you select the class and the student you want to give feedback to. Scroll down for the Feedback Generation Mode section, where you should see 3 tabs. The first one is based on curriculum, which is sort of manually choosing the skill or skills you want to give feedback on. The next one, the Lesson tab, gives you the opportunity to give feedback based on whichever lesson you have taught, and if selected, all of these lessons should populate, along with their feedback and next steps options to tick from. Now, the Formative tab is what I would personally opt for, mostly because feedback and next steps options get narrowed down to the ones I assess directly in class during formative assessment. Now, if you scroll to the bottom of the page, you should be able to print your beautifully designed and well-structured feedback and next steps document in 3 different styles to give to your students to reflect on their learning. This PDF document is already branded with your school logo and name, which we have set up earlier in the global settings. Another powerful feature iTeachify.ai provides is the comment generator. To access this feature, head over to the Comment Generator page under the Reports tab on the navigation bar. Notice there are 2 ways where you can generate comments for your report cards. The first one is based on a rubric, which helps you manually generate comments based on given criteria covering almost all aspects of classroom readiness for learning. The other one is based on the data the AI collects from your formative tracking page. All you gotta do in this section is to select the class, the student, and the assessed skill or skills. Press on the Generate AI Comment button and watch the accuracy of the AI in generating a comment based on real data. The next powerful feature is the Behavior and SEL, that is Social Emotional Learning. To access this feature, go to the Reports tab again, and then select Behavior and SEL. First, make sure you have selected your subject, class, and student you want to evaluate using 2 rubrics for both Behavior and SEL in different time frames. After assessing your students in the provided rubrics, click on Generating AI Reports to get a full report based on your entries. For comparison purposes, you can save the current assessment, so that later on you can come back and load the latest assessment and evaluate the same student again using the rubrics. Notice that the previous entries are highlighted in the rubrics. This is because iTeachify.ai uses this data to help you evaluate the student's progress in terms of behavior and SEL, of course. The last feature introduced in this guide is the Emailing Parents feature. Go to this page, which is under the Reports tab on the navigation bar. What's cool about this feature is that you do not actually have to manually report to the parents how their students are performing. All you have to do is to select the student's name and class, the subject of your email, then scroll down to find the Generate with AI button. Watch the magic take place. A well-designed and targeted parent email, generated based on the data you have been collecting in class about their child, which makes it a more personalized and legit report, which you can confidently send to the parents.